Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Raymond in Michigan of the Ranger RCI 69 base. Raymond got it ready to go for you, bud, our standard tuning alignment, and also got rid of them little dim wheat lamps, and you've got your LEDs in there now. This is a unique little setup here. Raymond came to me and told me what kind of amplifier he was running, and the 69 base was a little bit hot for it, and we talked about it a little bit, and we've set it up to work out great for his amplifier he's got. So I got the RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. Key's about a watt all the way down, about a watt and a quarter. And we'll take and roll it all the way up. Just right there, about 9.5 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 23 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 50 watts on the money. Raymond, this won't overdrive your amp. This will work great for you. And you've got yourself a brand new radio. The Galaxy 2517 is no longer available. So we're working with what we got, which is the 69 bases, the 2995s. So if you're looking for something like this 69 base, but it's a little bit too hot for you, just give me a shout, and we can custom tailor it to work with your amplifier. Raymond, hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.